Hello and welcome back. This video will be dedicated to only how to create your first page on your website. I cover that part of it. I covered in module number 2, but specifically I'm going to cover that everyone will understand. So I hope everyone was able to see the panel that you have and in the website. And one of the things that you're going to work a lot is the online file manager. And I showed you that on File Manager, you have folders like you have in your own computer. Those folders, you're going to look at the HT docs as the main folder that you're going to see. In my case, I have a lot of subfolders, like example, for module number 1, module number 2, module number 3, and so on. I also have data, I have editor images, etc. One of the things that you're going to work in this module is index number 2, which is the page that you have right now. You're going to highlight it and you're going to delete that in order for you to have a new set. So I'm going to delete that and I'm going to say OK, and I'm going back and I will upload a new set. In my case, I'm going to show you two operation or two software application that it's okay to work with. One is Dreamweaver, and Dreamweaver, one of the biggest asset of Dreamweaver is that you are able to see what is it Intel. You can download or you can work with Dreamweaver using the app.usf.edu. They have application called Dreamweaver under Adobe. So you will be able to see that. Or the other application that I highly recommend is that just basically work with the code. It's depend on you, depend what you like, depends what you think it's more accessible to you and give you more flexibility to show your creativity. So I'm not going to look at that, and I am not going to judge you based on your decision. So what you're going to do is going to start with scratch. So example, one of the things that you have options of, and one of the things that often is used is you can download application. Example, in this case, you have a template that you can download to your computer and start editing it. Example, in free CSS, they have a website that already embedded, and you have the ability to see what is it entail. You're going to work with that and be able to see how it affects it. So this is the website, this is what it is for, and you're going to apply JavaScript PHP into this environment. So it is quite simple. You're going to edit it in your editor, and then after that you're going to upload. So the first page that you will need to call the index page in this case will be called, as we deleted, index2.html, and in this case you have the ability to upload this file and it will go to your directory, and as you can see, index2.html, you're going to say OK, you're going to upload it and make sure everything is fine and everything is too. Another option is to use FTP, and FTP is basically dropping the files into the FTP application, which upload it to the server. This is what we used to have for a long time. I highly recommend to use the FTP. This is what I learned 20 years ago, this is what I have done. But again, it's up to you. I leave it up to you. If you want to do it manually through this web browser, you can. If you don't, I highly recommend to use FTP. So you will click OK, and it will show you that everything is okay, and you will go back, and as you can see, the file already embedded, it's index 2, and you have a new website. So this is the assignment number, the assignment to create a entrance to your website. And I think this is a good introduction to what you need to do from now on. When you're going to have module 2, module number 3, you're going to create a module, a folder, and in this folder you're going to have all the files that associate. Example, in this case that I created, this is an image, and this image consists of a name of a format, and I will talk about the format later on as we continue to progress in the class. But this is only a short example. How can you upload, how can you change the interface, so you will be able to do that. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoy. Please ask questions. Your job is to ask questions. My job is to answer. I hope you'll be able to accomplish it. If not, please send me an email. I'll try to respond as soon as possible. Otherwise, enjoy the week. Bye.